Is that a tricycle? Honey, you're running over your card. Just put that back here. That was your birthday card, honey.
Oh, hello there. It's me, Minnie Mouse.
There was no hiding that, was there? It's Minnie. Here, we can take the streamers off. We can take that off. Oops. Careful. Our first wreck. Oh. That's why we got you the helmet to go with it. You okay? Oh. Not much room here, huh? We lost the card again, too. You have to open that. Open your card. You like it? Yes. You're still a little for it. But
Oh, hello there. It's me, Minnie Mouse. Today is the perfect day for an adventure. I can't wait. We'll have so much fun together.
other way?
Yes.
What, this way? Toward me? Can you pedal? You can't reach the pedals yet, can you? Here, I'm going to stop filming so I can help you. Happy birthday, sweetheart.